Welcome all of you to this closing ceremony of the first ever state level Inter Khelo India Center competition. Khelo India Centers, as you all know, started about 5 years ago, and in Nagaland we had our first 4 centers, 2 in Zaniaboto and 2 at Dimapur. In Zaniaboto we had table tennis and badminton. In Dimapur we had badminton and also in football. We are very happy with the progress that these Khelo India centers have brought about. Today, we are proud to say that altogether we have 32 Khelo India centers in the state, covering various disciplines such as archery, badminton, table tennis, and so on and so forth. We believe that the Khelo India centers set up under the Khelo India program of the Government of India will benefit our people. We have had occasions where our Khelo India Center students, the athletes, have also excelled at the state level and even participated in the regional levels. We are still young because the admissions were done for only 14 years and below, but it is a very pleasant surprise and a very pleasant thing for us that our children have been able to perform even at the state level. The Khelo India Centers tournament, organized by the government of Nagaland, I think this is one of the first Khelo India Center tournament organized particularly in the northeastern region. And this is only because of the support of the government of Nagaland under our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Lee Pyo, who is also the Minister in charge of Youth Resources and Sports. The initiatives taken by the government in this regard is laudable, and not only in this regard, but in continuation to this, the state on its own also has been providing a lot of opportunities for our youngsters. Not only that, it has also taken steps to ensure that stadiums are available in all the districts. Multidisciplinary indoor halls are also available in all the districts. Progresses are going on. We are yet to see the full result of this, but we hope, particularly the Department of Youth Resources and Sports, hope that these initiatives of the state government will pay off one day in the near future. Maybe in the Asian Games or even in the Olympics. We hope to have our players playing and winning medals.
Over the past few days, we have witnessed exceptional talent, fierce competition, and true spirit of sportsmanship on display. As we come together to celebrate the culmination of this tournament, it is a moment to reflect on the significance of Khelo India and the impact it has on our state's sporting landscape. For about a year, I was part and parcel of this youth resource and sports department, and during that time, whatever I've come to know about Khelo India is that it represents a vision of a healthier, fitter, and more vibrant India. It is a vision that places sports at the forefront of our national agenda, recognizing the transformative power of athletics in shaping lives and communities. Through initiatives like the Khelo India Center Tournament, we have seen young athletes, boys and girls from across the district, showcase their skills, dedication, and passion for sports. The Khelo India movement has had a positive impact on sportsmen and sportswomen in Nagaland, contributing to the development of sporting talent and the overall growth of sports culture in the state. Talent identification at the grassroots level has helped discover promising young athletes from various districts of the state who are seated in front of us. The Khelo India movement has led to significant improvement in sports infrastructure in Nagaland by investing in the construction and renovation of sports facilities, stadiums, training centers, and playgrounds. This has provided better training environments and playing fields for athletes across different sports disciplines. Athletes in Nagaland have benefited from the financial support and incentives offered through the Khelo India program. This includes scholarships, grants, travel allowances, and stipends for training and participation in national and international competitions. The Khelo India movement emphasizes the importance of quality coaching and training for athletes. In Nagaland, experienced coaches and trainers have been engaged to provide specialized coaching in various sports disciplines. Through Khelo India events and competitions, athletes from Nagaland have gained exposure to competitive platforms at the district, state, and national levels. Participation in such events has allowed athletes to test their skill against top competitors from across the country, fostering healthy competition and providing valuable learning experiences. The Khelo India movement has also focused on promoting women's participation in sports. In Nagaland, this has also led to increased opportunities and support for female athletes, encouraging them to pursue sports careers and excel in their chosen disciplines. This has contributed to gender equality and empowerment through sports. And I'm very encouraged to see a number of girls they have participated in this tournament. Beyond competitive sports, the Khelo India movement has promoted health and fitness among people of all ages in Nagaland. Awareness programs, fitness camps, and recreational activities have encouraged a healthier lifestyle, leading to improved overall well-being in the community. This tournament has been more than just a series of competitions. It has been a platform for talent to shine, for dreams to take flight, and for friendships to be forged. It has been a testament to the hard work and commitment of our athletes. Coaches and support staff who have dedicated countless hours to training, preparation, and competition.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.